One of my followers asked me, Freedom State, I really get problem with my hotspot on my iPhone. Actually, I don't know why. So if you know somebody will get similar problem, actually you don't try a lot of people and able solve them for you. Today you don't get a solution. Before we dive into the video, share this tutorial to all your contact list that you know are using iPhone. You might know it must help one way or the other. So now we're inside my phone. Look for setting. Look for setting. You click on her. You wait until it disappear. You look for mobile services. Mind you, I use iOS 18. If you get lower version, so look for mobile service. You click on and there. The other thing is that my phone are dual SIM. So if they click on the SIM like this one way, right? So travel. You click on and there, and they count you to the option there. So if they click on say mobile data network, it's we can use mobile data up. I've reset the APN and this name and the APN. I've reset.sl on for small letter the username. I've reset. So now for the hotspot, you can scroll right down, say hotspot, personal hotspot. You click now. Under the APN, you write afrisel.sl. The username write afrisel. Then save them. That's all. Then you will see your hotspot count back. Thank you.